Alright, it's just a short video on how to install some Schaller lock straps. Basically, you just take your Phillips screwdriver, take out the old one. Don't really need any of that stuff. And then you're going to take the new one, screw that bad boy right back in. And it takes a wrench. You kidding me? That's alright, I got that too. So you're going to need a torque bit, and let's see what one we need. I'm going to go with this one. What do you think? Too small. There we go. What number is that? Does it say? Of course not. I need a 1/8 torque bit. You can get this little toolkit at Lowe's. I like it. I think it was like $5 too. Hit the button. I don't have to do anything crazy tight. Just get it in there. These screws are bigger than the ones that were in there in the first place, so it's going to go in nice and tight. You know how we like it. Nice and tight. Of course, you can use a power drill to make it a little quicker. Not everybody has that. Should, but you know, whatever. Okay, so that's the guitar part. So I got this from my Godzilla guitar, so all you gotta do so the long part goes off the top. You just poke that bad boy through. It's a new strap, so it's gonna be pretty tight. And then you usually want to get it. Doesn't matter, so it's gonna spin, but you don't want to over tighten it so it doesn't spin at all. Sorry, get that up in that camera there better. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this and screw it down. They even got a little screw right there to tighten it so it doesn't loosen up on you. So you can do it two ways. You can do it loose so it spins, which I recommend because I've noticed that if you do it tight, the strap will kink up on you sometimes. It's all preference. If you like it set in stone, then set it in stone. I think the more important one to be loose is the top one. The bottom one's, excuse me, the bottom one. And just to do it. So when you put them on, they just slide right on there. That. I'm going to set this one down so it's straight down. Okay, and that's just my preference. I'm going to keep it a little loose. And then they got a little screw there. So, do I have a little tiny screw? I don't. Not in this kit. Get another kit. One of them things where you like set all the tools out for your video, so you can just do it, and then you go into the video and you're like, oh, yeah, I need that. Alright, so this is just a little tiny screw. See if I can get it to focus on it. Yeah, there's a screw there. And all that's going to do is tighten it down a little bit. Doesn't take much. That was it. And then when you put it on, you're just going to take it, get it so you can see it. Take this, and it just slides. Like this. Oops. Label it up like that. Push it across, and it'll lock. If you ever want to take it off, pull the tab out, it comes out. There you go, nice and tight. If you're in the Portsmouth, New Hampshire area, Gary's Guitar. Why is it always backwards? All this technology, and you can't do a selfie camera that reverses the stuff so people can read it. Oh, is this an ambulance? Anyway, Gary's Guitar is Portsmouth, New Hampshire. That's where you want to go.